If you want to know how to assemble 60 centimeters dish or MultiTV dish, don't go anywhere. Just stay tuned.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Basic Home Tech. Please, if this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, kindly press the subscribe button and after the notification button so that you receive notifications anytime we post a new video. In this video, we are going to learn how to assemble 60 centimeters dish. People usually call it MultiTV dish. Now, it's not to say this is the only dish you can use for MultiTV. No. About the branding, this is HD plus, but then we have other brandings too as well. When it comes to the size, as I said, this is 60 centimeters. We have 80, we have 90, which all you can use for MultiTV. But then mostly this is what we use for, or mostly this is what people use for MultiTV. The 60 centimeters dish. We have 1 meter and all. Yeah. Okay, so we are going to quickly get into getting to know the names of the parts so that we can start with the assembling of the dish. This is called the reflector. Then we have the mast for the wall or wherever you want to fix your dish. And then we have the all this together. It's called the reflector bracket. Reflector bracket. Then we have the LMB arm. LMB arm. Then we have our LMB holder. Then we have our LMB. People normally call it torch, but it's not torch. It's called LMB. Alright? Then we have bolts and nuts. We have our bolts and nuts of different sizes and different shapes too. So we have this one, the round edge cap screw. The round edge cap screw. Yeah. Then we have this. Yeah. These bolts. Then we have this two. These two. So we have this, and this. Then we have this one too. This one is used for concrete. After drilling the wall, you put this one in the wall so that you can fix your mast on it. Then we have our small screw here for the LMB holder. With the tools that you will need, looking at the nuts, they are all in size 10. So what we need is size 10 spanner and our screw. Then we have also this. So this is for the arm. And this is for the mast. So if we sit here like this, yeah. Also we fix this one. So taking the reflector brackets now, you will see this arrow. So depending on how you hold it. So when I hold it like this, the arrow is facing down. But then the arrow is always supposed to be facing up. So you are supposed to hold it like this. Then when you look at the hand, we have a hole here, then we have another hole here. So we have one here, then two holes here, right? So this one is 2. So that means that this is supposed to be here like this. Not like this. No. It's supposed to be like this. You see? Like this. The reflector will be here. So this place will be facing the reflector. So like this. Then you take your there we go. different kinds of design. This is what we are using at the moment. So as time goes on, we get other designs or other models. We also get to learn how to assemble those models too as well. So now we continue. So this is supposed to be here. Also, you can see an arrow here. Always remember that whenever you see the arrow is supposed to go up or it's supposed to face up. So here we go. Alright. So we use a round egg capsule for, so as you can see, right, the round egg capsule for here. So we are good. Then this is supposed to carry. So loading it. So that's a little bit. Now reflect that. Supposed to be like this. So that the back like this. Right? Yeah. So also the round end capsule. And I tighten it. Here we go. So as you can see. So now what's left? We have to now face our LMB holder like this. Goes here. Right? That's it. Wait. All right. As you can see now, we have this one size screw. Small nuts. What do we do? clicking right here, you see a hole here, right? So you face. There we go. Nice. So, face. Basically, that is it. Alright, guys. So, thank you for watching this episode. In the next episode, I'm going to teach you how to manually set up the dish. That is how to manually set for the signal settings so that you get a signal so that you can watch it in your various room. Stay tuned.